This video guide will give you instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called PDF download tool. PDF download tool is an unwanted browser extension. This extension actually may operate as adware, and if it gets installed, it may display the tremendous portion of intrusive advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. So if you've mistakenly clicked on that allow button, you should fix your browser, access the menu, go to settings, privacy and security, site settings, then go down to permissions and choose notifications. So research all these sites that are allowed to send notifications. Remove any malicious sites. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, we recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start examining your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.